Very good evening to all. My name is Anushka from Star Smart Institute, and today I am here to tell you about some prefixes. Prefixes are the words which used before a meaningful word to give a meaningful or more understandable new vocabs to us. Now we start with some few examples. The first one is unsatisfied, unhappy, unbelievable, unholy, untouchable. Next one is mistake, mistook, misplaced, misuse, and misunderstandings. The third one is imperfect, immortal, talented, and designated. And the next one is discomfort, disguise, disapproval, disattending, and dismanaged. And the last but not as least is pre-managed, preoccupied, pre-welcomed, pre-planned, pre-prevent, and pretend, etc. Thank you so much.